In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to utilize the Share and Earn feature on the popular retail website Shein. If you're looking to explore new ways to earn through online platforms, this guide is perfect for you. We'll break down the process into easy-to-follow steps, ensuring that even those new to the platform can follow along without any hiccups. To get started, you'll first need to navigate to the Shein website. You can simply type Shein into your preferred search engine, and it should be one of the top results. Once you're on the Shein homepage, you'll want to look for something called the Personal Center. This is essentially your dashboard where you can find personal details or settings related to your account. Now that you've located the Personal Center, it's time to delve into the opportunities offered by the Share and Earn feature. You can find this option by scrolling down to the Other Services section. It's a nifty little feature that allows you to earn rewards by sharing Shein with others. By clicking on Share and Earn, you open up a world of possibilities to earn a little extra cash or get discounts just by spreading the word. Once you're in the Share and Earn section, you'll see an option to copy a unique link provided to you. This is your personal referral link. The magic of this link is that whenever someone clicks on it and subsequently registers on Shein, you can benefit from it. Whether you're sharing it with friends, family, or through your social media platforms, your network becomes a potential earning avenue. What's great about this feature is that it essentially allows you to leverage your existing connections in a way that can be fruitful for you. And just like that, you're done. It's a simple process, but with the potential for impactful results. By sharing this link, even if just one of your friends or followers signs up, you'll begin earning from Shein. It's a creative way to make use of your social media presence or just spread the word amongst your acquaintances. Before you go, here's a small tip. When sharing your link, personalize the message a bit. Explain why you love Shein or highlight any current promotions they might have to give that extra nudge. People are more likely to click on a link and sign up when they see a genuine recommendation accompanied by its perks. In summary, by navigating to the Personal Center on Shein, clicking on Share and Earn, and sharing your unique referral link, you're setting yourself up to earn as others discover the platform through you. It's all about connecting and sharing the brand with others, making it a win-win situation. Thanks for joining me today. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out. Happy sharing and earning.